Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a picture or photograph of you that you like. You should say where it was taken, when it was taken, who took it, and explain how you felt about it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, you can talk about any kind of photograph that is your favorite photograph that you like a lot. Maybe it was taken during one of your birthdays or maybe during some kind of marriage function or maybe during your graduation or convocation, right? So you can talk about any such picture that you like. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Photography is a practice that allows for self-expression, preserves memories, fosters creativity, as well as serves as a powerful communication tool. And today, I would like to talk about a photograph that I admire a lot. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, preserve means to store, foster means to encourage, and admire means to like something. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that a couple of years ago, my parents and nephew had come to visit me in Toronto, and we all went to visit the majestic and world famous Niagara Falls, where we clicked a family picture together. So, majestic means very big and huge. So, Niagara Falls is the world's biggest fall. So, that's what we are trying to say here. Moreover, we wanted to get a closer view of the falls, so we were strolling on the trails next to the falls and decided to rest for some time as the walk is of approximately 4 kilometers. So, strolling means to walk slowly. Trails means walking paths. So, if you ever get a chance to visit the Niagara Falls in Canada, when you go there, you will see that there are walking trails all along the waterfall where the general public is allowed to take a walk. So, that's what we are trying to convey here. We all sat in front of the guarded fence with the gigantic and picturesque falls in the backdrop, and we were enjoying the sounds of the gushing water. So there is like a fence all around the falls because it is so huge. So just to ensure everyone's safety, there is a fence all around it. And fence is like a kind of barricade. So gigantic again means huge or big. Picturesque means beautiful. Backdrop means background. Gushing means flowing. So we have used a range of adjectives here. So it is a good idea to just pause the video and write down all the meanings of the words as I am saying so that next time you are practicing speaking, you can also use it in your conversation. Alright, so let's continue. It was at that moment that we asked a passerby to click a photo of all of us together. So passerby means someone who was just going past by or a pedestrian, okay? Additionally, we were all layered up in winter coats and have scarves wrapped around our heads as it was quite chilly and windy near the falls. So we are just describing the photo a little bit more by emphasizing on what we were all wearing at that time. So even if you visit Niagara Falls during summertime in the month of June, it's still cold there because of the chilly breeze that is blowing near the falls. Alright, so let's continue. Despite the cold weather, we were all smiling and seemed completely relaxed in the picture. So we have now answered the first 3 questions, which is where it was taken, when it was taken, and who took it. The last question, which is explain how you felt about it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, the photo makes me feel quite nostalgic as my family members came for a very short duration and reminds me of all the great memories that we created during that trip. which I still cherish and feel on cloud nine whenever I look at that picture. So, nostalgic means when you are thinking about something that happened in the past. Cherish means to remember for a long time. And we have also used an idiom here which is feel on cloud nine, which means to be very happy and joyous. And using idiomatic phrases actually increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.